गुड इवनिंग स्टूडेंट। आज हम लोग केमिकल काइनेटिक्स पढ़ेंगे एंड दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर एज पर बोर्ड और नीट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। सबसे पहले हम लोग देखेंगे कि केमिकल काइनेटिक्स डिफाइंड कैसे होता है। तो द ब्रांच ऑफ केमिस्ट्री विच डील्स विद द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन और द फैक्टर अफेक्टिंग द rate of the reaction. In the very first part we will study how to write rate and what is the rate of the reaction, and in the second part we will be seeing the factor which affect the rate of the reaction. So coming to the point, rate of the reaction, it is defined as per mole change in the concentration of reactant or product with time. So this is nothing but change in the concentration. You can write change in the concentration divided by change in time, that is rate of reaction. So suppose we are taking a chemical reaction and this is balanced chemical reaction, 2A plus 3B giving us 4C. Suppose this is a chemical reaction. So how to write? So go through the definition first. Per mole. So this number 2A, 3B, 4, these all are nothing but mole. We treat them as a mole and we name as a stoichiometric coefficient बोलते हैं इनको। तो हमको अगर rate of reaction लिखने हैं तो कैसे लिखेंगे? Per mole. So we will divide with the number of moles and the change in the concentration divided by change in time. So we are giving minus sign for the reactant because we know as the reaction proceed, reactant decreases with time. So overall we know कि क्या होता है कि जो rate होता है या speed, it is corresponding to a speed. जैसे speed होता है वैसे ही rate होता है। तो speed और rate can neither nor be negative. तो negative होना नहीं चाहिए, इसीलिए ये minus sign दिए जाते हैं for reactant species and for product species we give positive. So this is nothing but simple way of writing the rate of the reaction. First you have to divide with the number of moles. See here the number of moles is 2, so we are dividing in 2, and this is nothing but change in concentration and change in time. We are giving minus sign for the reactant and plus sign for the product. So if we can write the rate in terms of any of the species, suppose A. So if we have to write the rate of the reaction, so we can write in terms of A, we can write in terms of B, as well as we can write in terms of C. See, this writing the rate of chemical reaction is very easy and very important. So let's start with the question. See, this is very recent question that has been asked in 2029. Okay, 2019 this question has been asked in NEET. So this is very important and very easy. See, this chemical reaction is balanced chemical reaction if you look properly, and this is nothing but Haber's process for the manufacture of ammonia. So for the chemical reaction